going to the other song.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Qu'est-ce que c'est, hein?
We're going to make a challenge using this word, bahu ka in supportive way, angry, disappointed, and flirty way. Okay, who's gonna start? Arania? Okay, yeah. I'll start, okay? We do the supportive way first. Supportive. Bahu ka. Supportive bahu ka. Ikaw, no, it's yun.
Nej, hon får...
To say hata ori in supportive way.
Baka-hook.
Come now!
Amateur.
Amateur. Aray, ikaw, buyari ba na?
Bahukka.
Supportive, yeah, okay. No, aranya.
Bahukka.
Okay. No, eta angry, okay? It. No, eta it. Okay, no, eta mo inti. Eta iya?
Yeah.
Okay, it. Bahu ka! It. Bahu ka! Aranya sa tiyor, it. It, hata ore. It. Tumabra, it.
Wait, jag känner ska till.
It, det var it nu. It.
Du dog så väl.
Jo.
Bahukka.
No, Erta disappointed. Okay? Disappointed. Kusi man disappointed. Boya na.
Drar så dig.
Boya disappointed. Boya. Disappointed. Baho ka. Tumaid siya fra. Disappointed. Tapos kasi ya ore disappointed. Ay, before you mention.
Baka.
Inte morse.
Bahukka.
No, Erta. Flirty. Okay, two-faced. Flirty. Usay baho ka, flirty.
What's your mother?
Baho ka, tapi to
Okay.
Pito yung tulog taitla.
Ha?
Baho ka, pito yung tulog taitla. Ito yung Philippine score. Tapi to yung tulog taitla. So sa'yo ito tao, i-flirty way. Kung sa'yo ito flirty. Kung sa'yo ito tao, flirty.
Bahukka.
No, du. Nu luktar det äckla. Nu luktar det.
Bahukka.
Flirty. Baho ka. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.